Hi, welcome to Coach Calculus channel. In this video, we'll be looking at this title here, solving simultaneous equations using substitution method. And we have this question before us. Solve the following simultaneous equations using substitution method. So these are the ones we'll be using. So make sure you stick to the very end of the video. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when next you are looking for solution to your mathematical problems, you can easily locate this channel again. And without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. Solution number one. For number one, we have the equation 5x plus 4y is equal to 22, and the second side we have 3x plus 5y is equal to 21. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we choose equation 1 from equation 1, which is this one. Now we have 5x plus 4y is equal to 22. Now we're making x subject of the formula now. So 5x is equal to 22 plus 4y will cross over to this side, turn to minus 4y. Now we divide both sides by 5. That is over 5 over 5. 5 will cancel out 5. We have x is equal to this value now. So x is equal to 22 minus 4y over 5. So this is the value of x. Now we're going to substitute this value in equation 2. So substitute x is equal to 22 minus 4y over 5 in equation 2. So I'll write out the equation 2 here, which is this one now. That is 3x plus 5y is equal to 21. So 3x. Remember, x is not equal to this value, so I'm going to remove x and put this one there. That is open bracket 22 minus 4y close bracket over 5. Then plus this one now, plus 5y is equal to 21. So what I'll do now is I'm going to multiply all through by 5, which is the denominator. So I have 5 times 3 open bracket 22 minus 4y close bracket over 5, then plus 5 times 5y. 5 times 5y is equal to 5 times 21, because I'm multiplying through by 5. Okay, now for this particular one, we have the 5 will cancel out 5. Then we're left with this, which is 3 open bracket 22 minus 4y close bracket plus 5 times 5y, that is 25y. 25y is equal to 5 times 21. That will give us 105. So now I will remove bracket from here. 3 times 22, that will give us 66. 66 minus 3 times minus 4, that will give us minus 12y plus 25. Plus 25y is equal to 105. Now I'm going to collect items to have minus 12y plus 25y is equal to 105. This one will cross over. and plus 66 will cross over to minus 66. So minus 12y plus 25y. That will give us 13. So 13y is equal to 105 minus 66. That will give us 39. So at this point, let me write it out here. 30 and 13. This side is 13. 13y is equal to 39. So I will divide both sides by 13. So 13 will cancel out 13. 39 divided by 13, that is 3. So therefore y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. So let me create a space by the side. That will run now. I want to create a space by the side here. I will continue my calculation from here. So we have here that y is equal to 3. Now we are going to substitute. The value of y in this value here. So I will write out this on here now so that we'll find x. So x is equal to 22 minus 4y over 5 Now 22 minus 4 open brackets. Now y now is not equal to 3, so I will put it 3 over 5. So it is now equal to 22 minus 3 times 4 times 3, that is 12 over 5 is equal to 12 minus 22 minus 12. That will give us 10. Over 5. So 10 divided by 5, that is 2. So x is now equal to 2. So finally, therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So these are the answers to number 1. For the number 2, we have the equation x plus 2y is equal to 7 and 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 3 whole number 1 over 2. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now the first step here is we're going to rewrite this and put this in change it to improper fraction. So we have x plus 2y is equal to 7, and this one now we change this. To change this, we do 2 times 3, that is 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7. So we have minus 7 over 2. So I'll write this 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 7 over 2. So let's say this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Equation 3 and 4 respectively. So the next step is we're going to clear out this fraction here. This is a fraction. This one does not have any fraction. This one has fraction. We are going to clear the fraction. To clear the fraction, we are going to multiply this one through by 2. Okay, if I do 2x times 2 plus 3y times 2 plus minus is equal to 2 plus 2x times 2 plus 3y times 2 times 2 is equal to minus 7/2 minus 7/2 times 2. So 2x times 2, that will give us 4x, and 3y times 2, that will give us 6y, and then here 2 will cancel out 2, we have minus 7 left, so equal to minus 7. This is the equation 4 here, equation 4. So I'm going to write this out again. Of x plus 2y, x plus 2y is equal to 7, and this one now 4x minus 6y is equal to minus 7. So I will take this one to be equation 5 and 6, equation 5 and equation 6. Now I'm going to take from equation 5, from equation 5, we have that x plus 2y is equal to 7. X plus 2y is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 plus 2y will cross over, turn to minus 2y. So here I'm going to substitute this value in equation 6, this one here now. So substitute x equal to 7 minus 2y in equation 6. So I'll write out the equation 6 here. 4x minus 6y is equal to minus 7, and then 4. Now x now is equal to 7 minus 2y. I'm going to open bracket. I'll put this now in place of x. That is the meaning of substitution. So 7 minus 2y close bracket, then minus 6y is equal to minus 7. Now I'm going to remove brackets. To remove brackets, to do 4 times 7 will give us 28. Then 4 times minus 2y, now will give us minus 8y. Minus 8y minus 6y is equal to minus 7. Now collect like terms. 8y, the ones that have y, 8y minus 6y is equal to minus 7. Then 28, which is plus 28, now will cross over, turn to minus 28. And then minus 8 minus 6, minus 8 minus 6, that will give us minus 14y is equal to minus 7 minus 28, that will give us minus 35. That will give us minus 35. So now write out this one here. Minus 14y is equal to minus 35. Then divide both sides by minus 14. So here minus 14 will cancel out minus 14. Then minus 35 divided by minus 14. Minus 35 divided by minus 14. That will give us 2.5. So y is equal to 2 2 number 1/2, 2 number 1/2, which can be written as 5/2, which can be written as 5/2. So we'll create space here so that we'll continue our calculation from there. So remember here that y is equal to 2 whole number 1/2, which is equal to 5/2. So I'm going to substitute this value now in this one, equation 5. This equation 5 now. So I'll write out the equation 5 here, but before then, write substitute y equal to 5/2 in equation 5. So I'll write out the equation 5 here, which is x plus 2y is equal to 7. X plus 2y is equal to 7. So x plus 2 open bracket, y now is equal to 5/2. 5/2 close bracket is equal to 7. Now we observe here 2 will cancel out 2 here, so we are left with 5. So x plus 5 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7, and then plus 5 will cross over turn to minus 5. So here x is equal to 7 minus 2, which is 2. So in this simultaneous equation, we have that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5/2. So these are the two solutions to the number 2 question. Alright, finally the number 3, we have the equations x/4 minus y/6 is equal to -1. And the second one, we have x/2 plus y/5 is equal to 10. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. So the next step is we are going to multiply, create the fractions, remove fractions by multiply through by the LCM of the denominators. For this equation 1, we are going to, the LCM of this is 12. 4 and 6 is 12. So I'm going to multiply each of these terms by 12. That is 12 times x, 12 times x over 4 minus 12 times y over 6 is equal to 12 times -1. So here 4 here 1, 4 in 12 is 3, 6 here 1, 6 in 12 is 2. So 3 times x, that is 3x, minus 2 times y, that is 2y, is equal to 12 times -1, that will give us -12. And for this equation, this is equation 3. And for this equation 2, the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So we're going to multiply through by 10. So we have 10 times x over 2 plus 10 times y over 5 is equal to 10 times 10. So here 2 here is 1, 2 in 10, 5. 5 here 1, 5 in 10 is 2. So we have 5 times x, that will give us 5x plus 2 times y, 2y is equal to 10 times 10, that is 100, equation 4. So now we'll write out equation 3 and 4 together. So for the equation 3, we have 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 12. And equation 4, we have 5x plus 2y is equal to 100. So from equation, this is equation 3 and equation 4. Now from equation 3, we have that 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 12. 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 12. So 3x is equal to minus 12. We're making x subject of the formula now, equal to 12. Then minus 2y will cross over, turn to plus 2y. And then now we divide both sides by 3 over 3 over 3. So x, this time we cancel out this. Then we have that x is equal to minus 12 plus 2y over 3. Now we're going to substitute. Substitute x is equal to minus 12 plus 2y over 3 in. We are going to substitute this value in equation 3. Which is this one here. So now we have 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 12. So now we are going to put this value now in place of x. I have 3 open bracket minus 12 plus 2y over 3 close bracket minus 2y is equal to minus 12. So now we're going to multiply through by this denominator here, which is 3. So but before then, there's not enough space here, so I would like to move up here. So let me draw my line. So in this particular place where I use this equation 3 here, I'm not supposed to use this equation 3 again, because we have used x as subject of the formula from equation 3. Remember from this place. So now this one that I get from here, now I'm going to substitute it into equation 4. So this one now I'm going to cancel out this. Then I will write out this equation 4 here. Equation 4, this one I'm going to write it out here. So which is 5x plus 2y is equal to 100. So now I'm going to substitute this value of x that I got from this place. I'm going to substitute it into this equation. So I have 5 open bracket minus 12 plus 2y over 3 close bracket is equal to plus 2y plus 2 plus 2y plus 2y is equal to 100. Now, so I'm going to multiply through by 3 because 3 is the denominator. I'm going to multiply through by 3. So I'll do 3 times 5 open bracket minus 12 plus 2y close bracket over 3 plus 3 times 2y is equal to 3 times 100. 3 times 100. So do here 3 will cancel out 3, so we are left with this one now, which is 5 open bracket minus 12 plus 2y close bracket plus 3 times 2y, that is 6y, is equal to 3 times 100, that is 300. Now we'll close the bracket by multiplying through 5 times minus 12, that will give us minus 60, plus 5 times 2y, that will give us 10y, plus 6y is equal to 300. Now collect like term. 10y plus 6y is equal to 300. What is 300? Then minus 60 will cross over to turn to plus 60. To turn to plus 60. Then 10y plus 6y, that is 16y. 16y is equal to 300 plus 60, that is 360. 360. Now we divide 16 here, 16y. So we divide through by 16. 16 will cancel out 16. 360 divided by 16, that will give us 22 and a half. So y is equal to 22 whole number 1 over 2, which is equal to 45 over 2. So now we are going to substitute this value in equation 3. Now we are going to substitute this value in equation 3. So substitute y is equal to 45 over 2 in equation 3. So this is equation 3 now. So I'll write it out. 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 12. And then 3x minus 2 open bracket. Now y is 45 over 2, which is 45 over 2 close bracket is equal to minus 12. So from this place, 2 now, 2 will cancel out 2. 2 will cancel out 2, so we are left with 45 here. So we have 3x minus 45 is equal to minus 12. Is equal to minus 12. So 3x is equal to minus 12. Now minus 45 will cross over to turn to plus 45. Plus 45. And then 3x is equal to minus 45 minus 12 plus 45, that will give us 33. Then I'll write out this value now. 30, that is 3x equal to 33. Then I'll divide both sides by 3 by 3. So I'll divide both sides by 3. Now 3 will cancel out 3. 33 divided by 3, that will give us 11. So x is equal to 11. X is equal to 11. So therefore x is equal to 11. X is equal to 11, and y is equal to 22 whole number 1 over 2. So these are the two values of x and y in number 3. So I've come to the end of this video. If you find the video helpful, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when next you are looking for solution to your mathematical problems, you can easily get this channel again. Bye for now.